What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video is gonna be a pretty quick one but really fun one. I went to Walmart and I bumped into something really cool. Remember those party poppers that I did a while ago? Well, it was with the confetti with a bunch of paper, and this one is chalk. I never seen anything like that before. I was like, whoa, finally they come up with chalk party poppers. I don't know how long ago they come out with these ones, but to me it's really new. I never seen them before, and I'm sure a lot of you have never seen these ones before either. So this is really cool for parties and having fun. So what I'm gonna do is put them to the test, see if actually going to be really awesome. I got my slow motion camera out finally, everything set up. Let's get it rolling. Film it at like 600 frames per second because chalk is gonna be already pretty slow. We don't need it super slow. Also I have 4 of them, so we'll film it in different speeds in slow motion too. I'm pretty sure we have to take off this film. Boom. Man, I should put safety glasses on in case it pops right into my face or something. Okay, now that plastic is off, all I'm gonna do is twist it to pop it all out. I'm filming next to the dark door so that way we can see the color green really good. Okay, let's twist it. Whoa, that was cool. No way. You know what I was worried about? All the chalk falling onto the floor, but looks like it so flew away. That's so crazy. No mess at all. Maybe this little green spot, that's it. I don't even know if it's from that. Amazing. So very surprised. I really thought I would have to wait till it rains to get all that chalk out, but it just flew away. That's so cool. You know what guys, the slow motion was surprisingly amazing. I didn't think it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna film it again at 1000 FPS, and I'm gonna pop the green one first and then pop the purple one almost at the same time right into the green fog, and let's see what happens. Oh! Woo! That was a fail. Wow, don't do what I just did. I made mess myself up. Looks like the chalk come off. Well guys, that slow motion footage looks a little scary, but I don't think it would have even hurt me that much. I do wish I was wearing safety glasses, but I was like, I forgot them. One time I need safety glasses, I forget them up in the house. Wow, I can't believe it. But again, I don't think it would hurt me that hard because it didn't fly that fast. Make sure you shoot it one at a time and don't be in a rush to shoot many of them, because if you hold it the wrong way, you shoot it into yourself and make a mess on yourself. Again, it would not hurt that much on you, you just make a big mess. But again, do not shoot at anybody because safety is #1 priority. My advice for you, shoot one at a time, don't do the same fail that I did, and have a firm grip. There is a little bit of a recoil, but when you have a firm grip, both hands, boom, it doesn't even feel like nothing. All it is a little bit of a compressed air inside here, and all the chalk is in here, and you gotta pop it like really quickly so the air comes off all at once. With that purple one, it was coming out a little bit because it's starting to twist, but not quickly enough, so the air came out from the can, but not enough for it to pop it all at once. So then I twisted it all the way and it popped all the way. So we learned quite a few things. So I'm gonna do another slow motion shot, but into the camera like that. Not directly into it because I don't want to make a mess on the camera, but kind of to the side, because I think it will look really cool in slow motion. Okay guys, part 2. I'm going to shoot it at the camera, but this time I'm gonna put a safety gear on. Okay, let's look at it. Gonna shoot it right to the side of the camera, and then I have to run it and click the slow motion footage. I'm gonna back up all the way. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, set, go! What the heck? Oh! Woo! You see what I'm saying? What just happened? This is why I need safety with these cannons. Do you see me keep twisting it? You know what? I would take off this little paper before I shoot it. You see there's a cannon right here, and I think what happened, the paper slid off, so I didn't really pop it all the way. And it was so weird the way it popped. It was a delay reaction. So when you're twisting it, do not look at it, you know, and boom, right in your face, in your eyes. Definitely recommend wearing safety glasses. This was almost second fail. It was very delayed pop. That's not good. Most people, when they twist, they want to look, hey, why is it not popping? And it's boom in their face. So make sure if you're using it, you don't ever point it at yourself or anybody. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Thumbs up this video, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.